Seriously, if this doesn't tell you how much we butchered this area, I don't know what will. Here, checking the frog around, see if I can get anything to react. It's a really interesting spot to be casting from. I've got like no room to load up on my cast, so I'm kind of limited to probably 20-30 yard casts. Whole ton of bluegill sitting under these mats though. Maybe I should just resort to punching. God dang it. Got him. Oh, I can barely move this guy. Oh, you just got a lot of weeds on him. Okay. Huh, not bad. Missed him the first time, I got him the second time. Let's see here. Yeah, not a bad little fish. All right. Oh, jeez. He bit that on a tight line. I just broke off. Dang. He bit that on a tight line. Scared the heck out of me, jeez. Yeah, that's why you gotta be prepared for those. That was my mistake, had a tight line on that. Jeez. Regardless, that was sick. Who's in the drainage pipe? Are you using that same one you were using at Shawano? Jeez. Go. Lower your bail. Like, push it down a bit. Got him! Oh, I can't move him! No, I'm good. I wasn't even looking at that. Oops.
I love how you're basically just feeling.
Yeah. 1 pound fish and 5 pounds of weeds. Really? No, it's literally a 1 pound fish and 5 pounds of. Oh, actually, no, that's a pretty big fish.
It's like a.
That wasn't a very good hook set.
Maybe one.
Yeah, that wasn't a very good hook set. I've got his bottom lip there. Whew. Or maybe that was a good hook set. Oh yeah, I hooked him on the outside of his mouth. Explains a lot. There's two.
That's a beautiful fish.
Yeah, it's a pretty little guy.
Got a little bit of close to that
Right? Says they're all in the. Says they're all hiding in the grass.
guy. Oh, it's fell in again. I swear, he's gonna see me falling.
That would suck if you fell in. Oh man, look at all this, guys. That was literally 1 pound of fish, 4 pounds of grass. Oh, nice. Nice. Ah, you lost him.
What happens when you trade weeds for
A fish. Got him?
Got him.
Hang on, I'm coming. That's a skinny bass.
Another dark one.
Yeah, I guess they're just hiding in the grass today, huh?
This is actually a pretty nice size.
It's not bad.
He choked that.
Yeah, I was just about to tell you I was gonna move to the other side. I don't know why I just had that feeling that you were just gonna like get popped there, but he just sure as heck he popped that thing. Whoa. Wasn't wasn't the prettiest release, but it works.
Doesn't see it.
Yeah. But it works.
Well, it's kind of hard to do that with one hand. That's probably
Yeah, I could tell.
do it.
Look at this big snail. Oh, it's not even a snail, it's just a shell.
Probably two,
Yeah, that was probably a 2. Looked like a 2.
at least. I was face slapping that thing.
I know you were. You're just smack,
My gum
smack,
got to somewhere up
smack.
in the tree.
Yeah,
You know, after I lost 2 fish, like once I set that hook on that other one, like my finger wasn't.
yeah. Yeah,
Like I had all 4 fingers on it.
Gamakatsu's somewhere in a tree. It's just stuck to this branch.
Huh?
Just on this branch.
Oh. I was expecting I lost it.
No wonder you retied. You didn't even take anything? No wonder your hand's in pain. Okay, so unless you guys haven't figured it out, Calvin there, aka the wingman, has a broken flipper, aka a broken pinky, and his hand is in pain. Am I gonna have to go back to the small frog? I don't want to go back to the small frog.
I don't know, you just want to call it, Joe?
Sometimes, Joe, whether it be babies or outsmarted, you're just not going to get anything in this pond today.
Maybe not. I'm still gonna try. Got one. Told you.